Here's the puppies, 4.5 weeks old, outside for the first time. Come here, babies. Come here, babies. There's Mr. Blue all by himself. There's Miss Purple. Come here, darling. Oh, she's good. Come on. Good girl. Come on, Burgundy. Come on. Come on, Chicken Little. Come on. There's Mr. Blue. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. It's okay. Come on, Mr. Green. Come on. Who's gonna come see me? Come on, Blue. Oh, that's a good boy. There's Purple. There's Mr. Blue. Come on. Come on. Well, Purple and Blue are very confident. Come on. Come on, Burgundy. There you go. There you go. Good job. Come on, Yellow. Come see Mommy. Come on. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Come on. Come on. It's okay. There you go. Come on, Yellow. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. Come on, Green. Come here. Come on, Blue boy. Oh, you're just so confident. Thank you. You come see me. You come see Mommy. You come see Mommy. Come on. Come on, babies. Come on. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Come on. Come on, Yellow. She said, nope. I'm not budging. Come here, Burgundy. Burr, burr. Come on, chickens. Down there, babies. Come here. Come here. Oh, that's a good girl. Good girl, Burgundy. Come on, Yellow. You can do it. Come on, chicken. Come on. Come on. Come on, Yellow. Everybody else has done it but you. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hi, baby. Hi, Burgundy. Hi, Purple. Hi, Mr. Green. Come here. Come here, babies. Oh, come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on, for the babies. Come on. There you go, Yellow. Good girl. Good girl. Come on. Don't let them step in it. Make you some water. Get you some water. that's some good stuff. Yeah, we're thirsty. Yeah, we're thirsty. What is it, Burgundy? What? What, Mama? You got pollen all over you now. Get you some water. Here's Miss Purple. Here's Miss Yellow. Come on, Miss Yellow. Here's Mr. Blue. There you go. Come on, Mama. Oh, what is it? What is it? Oh, I see you. Good puppies. Good puppies. It's your big old puppies. Let me get your toys out. Okay. Come on, get your toys. Mr. Green is venturing out. Go get your toy, Mr. Blue. Go get your toy. What are you doing? Oh, you're hiding behind the ball. Go get your toys. I know. You don't know what to think, do you? There's Miss Purple. Oh, there's an airplane. Oh, what is that noise? What is that noise? You've never heard that before. What is it? That's an airplane. It's okay. It's okay. Look here. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, Mr. Green. Are you tired? Good boy. Good boy. Y'all can't hide up underneath me. It's okay. It's okay. There's Miss Yellow. Feeling a little bit better about being outside. With Mr. Green. There's Miss Burgundy playing with her toy. There's Miss Yellow. Oh, you gonna bark at me? Okay, you guys can't crawl up underneath me. There's Mr. Green. Uh-oh, there's another airplane. Airplane! It's okay! Airplane! It's okay! I'm over here! Come about being out here, huh? It's your first time. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's a good girl. It's a good girl. Say, we don't know about all this outside noises. Say, we're not sure. We're not sure. We're not so sure. Oh, don't step in the water bowl. Miss Yellow. Come on, Purple. Come here, booty. Oh, you guys are going to sleep good tonight. You guys are going to sleep good tonight. Here's Mr. Blue. I see you, stinker. Mr. Green. Oh, are you guys tired? You can't be. Alright, well, this is the puppies. 4.5 weeks old. First time being outside. And they're a little nervous, which is normal. We'll start bringing them outside more often to get them used to all the noises. There's Burgundy. Oh, what's all that noise? What's that? That's the big dogs. That's the big dogs. Oh, there's Blue playing with his little toy. Oh, are we getting more comfortable? Huh? Are we getting more comfortable? Little bit. Hi, Miss Yellow. Come on, Mama. Come here. Here we go. Dear Miss Yellow. Good girl. Alright. Say bye-bye, puppies. Can y'all say bye-bye? Y'all ready to go back in the nursery? Okay, say bye-bye.